Ha! Found the rest of the army ants and their leader. They're not far from here.
But how are we gonna lead these ants to those ones?
I've got a plan. This sign will show the ants the way back to their troop.
Right this way, soldiers!
Keep it moving, soldiers! Hut, hut, hut!
Oh, come on. How could they miss the sign?
I don't think they missed it. They can't see it. Seems like army ants can't hear or see too well.
They can't hear, they can't see. So how do they find their way around? And how can we lead them back to their troop? Seriously, Kit?
What? Pickles, help me think.
But they're so smelly.
Just try one, Sam. You'll like... 5-second rule.
Move around it, soldiers!
Check this out, Sam. The ants won't touch the pickle. I think they can smell it.
Whiskers, that's it. They must be using their sense of smell to find their way around. And even they think your stinky pickles are gross.
Better activate Stink-O-Vision. So the ants are following the pink smell trail.
Yeah, but then why are they going in a circle?
The pink trail is the smell of other ants. That's how they follow each other. But if they get separated from their leader, they lose the smell trail. So they follow their own smell in a big circle, around and around. It's like follow the leader, but they're following themselves.
So if we can make a new smell trail, the ants will follow it back to their troop. We just need a bit of the ant scent first.
I got this.
Be careful, Kit. Those things bite.
Got it!
Nice one. Copying army ant smell. All done.
Ooh, smells anty.
Okay, Kit. Use your pickles to stop the ants and break the circle.
You got it!
And now I'll make a new trail of ant smell for them to follow, back towards their leader.
This way!
It's working!
Look! It's the rest of the ants!
Keep marching, soldiers!
Now, we just wait for the others to follow the smell trail and join the rest of their troop.
Here they come!
We better get out of their way so we don't get bitten.
Oh no! Sam, I'm stuck! I can't get out!
Don't stop now, soldiers!
And the ants are coming right for us! We're gonna get bit all over! What are you doing?
If we smell like the ants, they'll walk right over us without noticing. But kids will have to stay very still so they don't bite us.
Oh, I'm not so good at that.
I know, but I'm going to help you.
I don't know if I can do this, Sam.
Yes, you can. It's simple meditation, Kit. Just keep still. Breathe in. Breathe out.
But Sam, it tickles.
Stay focused. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. You got this, Kit. Breathe out. You did it, Kit. They passed right over you.
Troops, follow the leader!
And the ants found the rest of their troop.
Good to have you back, soldiers.
The cake! Got it.